I brought this fiddly fig outside, and man, does it not look so good. I wonder what's going on. To make a long story short, when a plant grows inside, it develops a very thin cuticle, which is a waxy coating on the surface of the leaf, which protects against ultraviolet rays, but also it protects from desiccation or water loss. This was brought directly from the house to the back deck, and as a result, it got what we call sun scald or sunburn. What I should have done is set this on the front porch in the shade for about 10 days. Then it would have been able to handle the full sunlight. As you can see up here at the top of the plant, the leaves don't have that problem because this is new growth and it has a thicker cuticle and no problem. So in the future, if I were to put this plant outside, I would put it outside in the shade for about 7 to 10 days, and then I could put it into direct sunlight. That's my tip for today. See you later. This is Gary. Bye.